Gosh, darn it. Okay, hello everybody. So today's Bible verse is from Galatians 6 verse 2 right here. So let's read. Bear one another's burden, and so you will fulfill the law of Christ. So this verse essentially means doing or sacrificing your time for another. What do I mean by that? Because just like Christ, when he died on the cross, he carried the burdens of our sins. He carried the sins of the world and on his shoulders when he died on the cross and forgave us of all our sins when he died. Yeah. So the verse that here tells us to, when we do something or do like do selflessness to another person, or just giving yourself to another person, like helping them or giving them tips, or just in general helping them, you will bear their burden with you, because you sacrifice your time for their time, or you sacrifice your time for theirs to help them, just like Jesus did when he died on the cross. And then there's a saying that in the Bible that goes, one of the greatest love, or one of the greatest acts of love, is you giving yourself to another person. It's either time, sacrifices, or you give them possessions of your own. So that's the verse right there. The lesson for this, everyone, is when you want to help someone, just do it. Don't think, just do it. Just help them if they need to. If they don't need help, or just is afraid of wanting to be helped, just help them. Just as Christ helped your burdens when he died on the cross. And when someone is hard on themselves, just give them a pat on their back and say, it's going to be fine, and help them. So that's the verse, guys. I hope you have an amazing day. Bell here saying goodbye.